The One Bike Rack E1 is a hitch-mount platform e-bike rack designed to simplify the process of transporting your electric bike. With a robust 100 pounds capacity, this rack is engineered to accommodate various e-bike models, ensuring a secure and reliable transport solution for cycling enthusiasts. Upon unboxing, the first impression of the E1 is its sturdy construction, which is evident in the high-quality materials used throughout the design. The frame features a heavy-duty steel structure coated with a weather-resistant finish, which not only enhances its durability but also protects it from the elements. One of the standout features of the E1 is its ramp design. The integrated loading ramp is a game-changer for those who may struggle with lifting heavier e-bikes. The ramp is wide enough to provide a stable surface, allowing users to roll their bikes up onto the platform with ease. This thoughtful addition eliminates the need for heavy lifting, which can be a significant concern for many, especially those with larger and heavier e-bikes. The ramp is also designed to fold away when not in use, ensuring that the rack maintains a sleek profile without adding unnecessary bulk. Installation of the E1 is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design. The rack connects easily to a standard hitch receiver, fitting most 2-inch receiver sizes. The included instructions are clear, detailing each step of the installation process. Once secured, the rack feels solid and stable, showing no signs of wobbling or instability while driving, which is crucial for peace of mind when transporting a valuable e-bike. Another significant aspect to consider is the security features of the E1. The rack is equipped with locking mechanisms to secure the bike in place while in transit. The wheel trace feature adjustable wheel straps that keep your bike firmly anchored, preventing any movement during transport. Additionally, the frame includes a hitch pin lock to deter theft when parked. These features contribute to a sense of security when traveling, knowing that your investment is protected against potential theft and damage. The design of the rack also takes into account the convenience of accessing the rear of your vehicle. The E1 includes a tilt-away feature that enables users to tilt the rack away from the vehicle, providing easy access to the trunk or hatchback even when the bike is mounted. This is particularly useful for road trips or outings where you may need to access your gear without having to unload the bike. While the One Bike Rack E1 has plenty of strengths, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. The rack is primarily designed for one bike, which may not be ideal for families or groups of cyclists looking to transport multiple bikes at once. Additionally, while the ramp is a fantastic feature, some users may find that it requires a bit more space to operate effectively, especially in tighter parking situations. The overall weight of the rack itself can also be a consideration for those who may struggle with heavier items. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall performance of the E1 is commendable. It holds the bike securely, even on bumpy roads, and the ease of use is a significant advantage for anyone who has struggled with traditional bike racks. Additionally, the thoughtful engineering that has gone into the ramp and tilt-away features makes it clear that user experience has been a priority in the design process. In terms of value, the E1 is reasonably priced when compared to other similar products on the market. Given its capacity and the durability of the materials used, it offers a solid investment for anyone looking to transport an electric bike safely and efficiently. The combination of functionality, ease of use, and security features makes this rack a strong contender in the hitch-mount category. In conclusion, the One Bike Rack E1 is a well-engineered solution for transporting electric bikes. With its robust build quality, user-friendly ramp, and security features, it stands out as a practical choice for e-bike owners. While it may not cater to those needing to carry multiple bikes, its design and functionality make it a reliable option for individual users. Overall, the E1 provides a balanced mix of convenience,